How to build a strong mindset. What if I told you that success, wealth, and resilience have nothing to do with your circumstances and everything to do with one single thing? It's the difference between those who struggle and those who seem unstoppable. And the best part? It's a skill you can build. I'm talking about how to build a strong and powerful mind. The problem and bridge. Whether you want to know how to build mindset for success, how to make yourself mentally strong for challenges, or even how to make a strong mindset for study, the foundation is always the same. Most people are waiting for motivation, but the secret is building a system that forges strong discipline and mindset on demand. The three-step framework. So, let's build your unbreakable mindset. Here is the three-step framework. Step 1. The mental filter. This is how to develop a winning mindset. You must become the gatekeeper of your mind. Every piece of information, every complaint, every negative thought is either building you up or tearing you down. A powerful mindset makes you unstoppable by focusing only on what moves you forward. Step 2. Embrace the micro-battle. This is how to build strong discipline. Your willpower is a muscle. You don't start with lifting 500 pounds. You win the day by winning the small, invisible battles. Making your bed, that one extra page of study, choosing water over soda. Every tiny victory wires your brain for a hard-working mindset and proves to yourself that you are in control. Step 3. The reframe protocol. This is the core of how to develop a growth mindset. When you face a setback, you don't say, "I failed." You say, "What did I learn?" This is how to be mentally strong and positive. It's not about ignoring emotion. It's about using challenge as data to get smarter and stronger. This is how to become mentally strong and fearless in life. Conclusion. This is the most powerful mindset for success. It's not a secret, it's a system. Filter your input, win the micro battles, and reframe your failures. This is how to change your mindset to be successful and more productive permanently. The question is, do you want it enough to start today? Check the link in video description to learn more about personal development and stress management. If you're ready to do the work, hit subscribe, comment "I will," and like this video. Thanks for watching. Check out our other success stories, free online courses.